Okay. Hello everyone, grab your favorite set of small weights so that we can do a quick 10-minute arm crusher for the upper body. This is going to be a fun workout to do together and it's going to be challenging. Take breaks when you need to, otherwise join me. I'm going to choose 3-pound weights, but I would suggest anything between 2 and 8. All right, so we're going to get started just with soft knees and you're going to bring your arms out wide. And just bring your hands to stop right at your shoulders. And if they're going way above your shoulders, then your weights are way too light. And if you can't hit your shoulders and you're already feeling some fatigue, maybe they're a little too heavy. Good, keep on moving. And then you're just gonna feel the effort of the top of the shoulder, so your medial deltoid. And you're gonna feel the work in the front of the shoulders, which would be your anterior deltoid, and also your pecs are engaging. Good, let's do 4, 3, 2, and then to really burn it out, just hold those arms up there and then circle forward, and then circle back. Good, circle forward, 1 and 2, and then back, 1 and 2. Good, forward 2, and then back 2. One more time, forward 2, back 2. Hold those arms out there for 3, 2, turn your palms towards me, exhale, bring your hands together, and then open them out wide. So here you're really gonna feel the front shoulder, so again, anterior shoulder, as well as you're gonna feel your pecs. Your biceps might feel this a little bit from reaching the arms away from you and squeezing those weights. So super normal if you're noticing kind of more muscles in the arms working. For 4, 3, and you might rethink your weights throughout the workout and that's totally okay to change it. And 1, open it wide, flip the palms down and then release. Nice job. Come forward, palms are flat, so I'm gonna turn to my side so you can see me. Just gonna pulse, pulse. So keep the hands behind you the whole time. Don't allow them to come forward. So behind you. And then you're gonna feel the effort of the triceps. So the extensor muscles are really gonna start to be activated. Notice my spine, it doesn't crunch, it's nice and long. Keep the tailbone back, pulse. 4, 3, good job, 2. And then you're gonna do the same motion except just turn your hands around. So your palms are facing in. Good, feel the effort of your arms here. For 4, keep pulsing, 3, it's a 2 count, so every 2. And then last 1 and 1. Good, relax the shoulders, reach the arms up. Go ahead and bend the hands behind the head. So you're gonna stop them right here and then push, bend and press. So as you work into your triceps, I want you to notice my elbows are hugging my head and I'm not allowing them to fan out to the sides. I also want you to notice my ribs. So I'm not jetting forward, everything's hugging in. Good, with the arms over the head, you're gonna start to feel a lot of work. And try not to tuck your chin too much. See if you can pick up your face. For 4, 3, 2, and then we're gonna pulse up here. So I'm keeping the weights right behind my head and then offering a pulse. 4, 3, 2, exhale, bring it forward and then lean towards me. So again, work on that flat back. Keep the hands right here at the ribs, extend, extend, extend. So don't bring it all the way into a curl. Here, push back, push back. Good, really work through the full tricep muscle and then extend. Let's do 4, 3, 2, and then we're gonna turn our palms face up and then bring them together, together, together. And that little action you should feel a whole lot, all right? So it looks just like this for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your shoulders, release your arms, palms face up. You're just gonna extend your arms out towards me. So you can be in a squat the whole time you're doing this, all right? Because then you could also be using your legs. I'm not gonna be doing that today. I'm just gonna demonstrate most from standing or with soft knees. Make sure your feet are open and not touching though, so that way you have plenty of balance since you're holding weights. Let's do 4, should feel your biceps. 3, 2, and then we're gonna exhale, hold, and then just pulse the arms here. So again, notice I'm not gripping the weights too tightly here, I'm allowing them to rest in my hands. Coming up and down for 4, keep pulsing, 3. Feel the action of your bicep, 2. And then on 1, keep the elbows tight and then squeeze. So you're working through the rotator cuff muscles, okay? So from behind, you're just hugging in. My arms are coming wide and coming back together. So as that action happens, I keep my chest up. I find those tiny muscles in my back and I squeeze them together. So take your scapula and pinch. for 4, 3, 2, and then on 1, just bring the elbows up and down. 90 and lower, 90 and lower. So lift and lower, good. 4, if you feel like a chicken, you look like one a little bit. 2, and then exhale, 1. Hold those arms up, come back out, and then breathe here. Bring those arms forward so you're facing me with your arms. Exhale, lower and lift, lower and lift. So notice we're not going too fast because I always want you to be in control of the movement. With these front raises, you're really gonna feel the top of your shoulder. So again, medial deltoid. You're gonna notice your back muscle starting to work with you. Good. Now everyone, tighten up your core. Go 4, 3, 2, keep your arms up, hold, 3, 2, 1, come back out to where we started, and then all the way back down. Good, full bicep curl, so up and down, and just start to feel the work. So really hug the elbows in tight. Try not to let the arms go away from the body. And again, I'm letting the arms fully straighten and then come back up. For 4, 3, we're gonna go into a half bicep curl, so we're gonna stop at 90. Pause. Pause, pause, good. So really find that work. Notice my arm stopping right at 90 degrees. I'm not letting it go above that direction, okay? 4, 3, now we're gonna go from 90 to the top. So 90, up, up. So again, finding that stop right here, really loading the bicep. For 4, 3, we're gonna go out wide, full range, and 2, and then out wide and in. So notice my arms are out to the sides, and you're gonna feel a little bit different work here in the arm, and it's gonna feel challenging. For 4, 3, 2, and then on 1, stop the weights here, bring them in, and then I want you to extend your arms in and out. So you're nice and tall and long in your spine and breathing. So keep pressing your arms forward, get super long, and then lead with your chest. 4, 3, 2, and then we're just gonna turn those hands, so bend and push. So from the back, I really want you to focus on hugging in and out. So it's just like a chest press if you were laying on your back. Otherwise, you're feeling the muscles through the back and front body here. 4, 3, this one should burn. 2, and then give me some punches. So just extend those arms straight ahead. This will help elevate the heart rate a little bit. And I just want you to notice your work here. So really feel each breath and each movement. You're over halfway through this, so just stick with me. We have a couple minutes left, okay? 4, keep punching. 3, 2, and then we're gonna exhale, extend the arms up. So a closed shoulder press, my palms are facing in. We're gonna switch it to an Arnold Press soon, so when we do that, it's a little challenging, so get ready. 4, 3, 2, and then exhale in and up. Good, now you can add a fancy wrist rotation with this, but we're just gonna work in this direction here, letting the forearms be our leader. Give me 4, 3, we're gonna open these elbows up into a regular shoulder press. 2, and then 1, open, press. Good, so you should definitely feel the work. I'm feeling it burn while I'm working with you. For 4, 3, we're gonna rotate through this regular press into Arnold, but we're gonna stay at 90. Ready? 90, rotate, out. Good, now this should really burn. Finish. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now lean forward for me, so you're gonna stick your tailbone out. Let your arms reach forward, okay? So let them come down, and then out, and out, and out. So really feel that work here. Good, we get about 2 minutes left, guys, so stay with me, and fly. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Row, row. So again, these weights aren't that heavy, but my arms are already in a little bit of fatigue, so I can feel my back working even though the weights are light. For 4, 3, and these weights are light enough I could travel with them, stand up on 1, so you can do this exercise wherever you are. Bring your palms back up, and then let's again find those rotator cuff muscles. So we're gonna pinch and squeeze. Good, stay nice and strong here, keep pinching. And then I want you to extend those arms forward and in. Good, forward and in. Give me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pulse it here, 4, 3, 2, elbows to the sides, lift, lift, lift. Stand up nice and straight for 4, 3, 2. Now arms out, find this burn right here, okay? Bring them forward, and we're gonna tap, tap, tap. This is your finisher. 4, 3, we're gonna flip those arms and tap. Ready? For 4, 3, 2. Now hold them out there super strong. Give me 10 seconds. Keeping those arms out here really, really firm. Try to keep your chest up. So again, don't come forward for 3, 2, and slowly bring them down. Awesome work, guys. Thanks so much. Grab your heavier set of weights next time if this wasn't hard enough, or always have 2 sets with you. And if you have any questions about the movements, feel free to comment below. Thanks.